Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math class. Today, we're going to learn something so amazing. It's called constant difference, but I like to call it the birthday rule. So let's just think about this for just a second. How old are you? Did you say 8? Oh, no, you said 9. Okay. So some of you are 8 and some of you are 9. Perfect. And now I want you to think about how old is your brother or your sister or your teacher. Got it? Okay. So we're going to do you as an 8-year-old. So if you're already 9, just go back to when you were 8. Okay. And we're going to think about if you have a brother or a sister. I know somebody in this class has a brother or sister who's at least 2 years younger than them. So they're 6. Okay. So 8-year-old, 6-year-old. What's the difference between these two friends or siblings? 2 years, right? So they'll always be 2 years apart, right? 2 years. 2 years difference. Does that make sense? Okay, good. All right, so now that you know that, I want you to think about it. When these two friends, if this friend is now 10, how old will this friend be? Did you say 8? You're correct. The difference is still 2 years. No matter how big or old they get, they're always going to be 2 years apart. So think about it like the birthday rule. So I am 21 years older than my oldest daughter, and I'll always be 21 years older than her. No matter how old she gets, I'll always be 21 years older. Does that make sense? Birthdays, right? So now I'm going to show you how to use this in math. So first, I'm going to show you a really awesome thing. Let's do, so on your notebook paper, I want you to write 2,000 minus my favorite number is 8. So we're going to do the 3-digit number 888. Here we go. 888. Now, if you're looking at this and you're like, oh, Miss Gerald, we have to regroup a bunch. Let's use the birthday rule, constant difference. So I'm going to pretend that I'm going to put both of these numbers in a time machine and I'm going to send them back 1 year. Are you with me? So 2,000, what's 1 less than 2,000? 1,999. So I'm going to change it. You change yours. 1,999. We just sent it back in the time machine. Now, we have my favorite number, 888. What's 1 less than 888? Did you say 887? Yeah, you're correct. So we're going to take it back 1 year on the number line. And now, so much easier to subtract this, friends. Are you with me? What is 9 minus 8? 9. 8. Oh, wait. I forgot my little chair. When we add and subtract, we start in the ones place. Okay, so ready? We're in the ones place. 9 minus 7. 9. 8. 7. 9 minus 8, or 9 tens minus 8 tens is 110. 9 tens, 9 hundreds minus 8 hundreds is 100. Good, good, good. And then we have no thousands, so we just bring it down. 1,112. All right, so write that down. 1,112. Now, I'm going to go back to the original problem. I'm going to use another whiteboard. 2,000. This marker is not working anymore. Let's grab a new one, friends. So, 2,000 minus my favorite number, 888. And I'll teach you how to regroup this. And this one isn't working that great either. What in the world is going on over here? Found a good one. All right, so 888. So 0 cannot take away 8. So I have to regroup. But there's nothing in the tens or the hundreds, so I'm going to go to the thousands. Change my thousands to a 1, my hundreds to a 10 hundreds, but now I have to keep sharing. So I'm going to change the 10 to a 9 and give 10 here, 10 tens. But I still need help in the ones. So I'm going to change it to a 9 and share again. And now this becomes a 10. So I'm going to show you what it looks like up close. So we have 10 ones, 9 tens, 9 hundreds, and 1,000. Now I can subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus nothing is 1. So looking at my two problems, my answers are exactly the same because we used constant difference. We put them both in the time machine and moved them backwards. Well, we could do the same thing if we wanted to move them forwards. So think about the number line. No matter how you move them, as long as you move them at the same rate, the difference will stay the same. So that's the birthday rule. We're going to do one more. Let's see if I have 67 minus, well, let's do 65 minus 46. 65 minus 46. Well, what can I do? How can I make this problem easier to solve? See, if I added 5 years, that would be 70 minus 51. That doesn't fix it. If I added 4 years, let's see if that works. Well, that's 4 years would be 5 plus 4 is 9. All right, so let's add 4 years. Let's go to add 4 to both the top and the bottom. Put them in the time machine, move them on the number line. Here we go. 65 now becomes 69, and 46 now becomes, that's right, 50. Now I can subtract. Look how much easier that is. All right, let's see. 9 minus 0 is 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 19 is the difference. Let's check. 5 cannot take away 6. Let's move this down so I just focus on these numbers. So I have to regroup. Change the 6 tens to 5 tens and give a 10 to the 5. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 minus 6. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So there's my 9. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So as long as I move them on the same rate on the number line, forwards or backwards, my difference stays the same. So that's the birthday rule, friends. I hope this makes sense. Feel free to ask us questions today in our math class. You also have a TEA to do today and learn a lot. Bye.